Hello family. Today we're going to make peanut butter brownies. Come join me. I found this recipe, Betty Crocker online. First of all we're going to do is we're going to mix up chewy fudge brownie mix, the cake like, with 3 eggs instead of 2. We're going to mix that up first. So we're going to add the mix. And I got a square pan and I only grease the bottom. So to that we're going to add the 3 eggs, 3 tablespoons of water, and 2/3 cup of oil. Okay, we're not going to mix that too much. Just a few seconds. Okay, now we have our oven on 325. I don't remember if I told you that already. It's been a busy day already. I know it's my vacation, but I'm getting a lot done. I'm getting so much stuff done that I would, those little things, cleaning closets and stuff like that. I am resting though, but I am a kind of person that I can't sit for very long. Okay, now we got that. I'm going to set aside 1/2 cup of this batter. Now we're going to put this in the pan. I'm reading the directions here, so. This really looked good. Peanut butter brownies. I'm going to change the frosting a little bit though. Now, I don't like white frosting. I'm using chocolate instead of white frosting. Okay, we got that spread on there. Now, I'm going to set that aside. And I got another bowl here. Okay, now I'm going to this I'm going to add 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar. Okay, I add that. And I'm going to add 1/4 cup of peanut butter. And 1 egg. And I'm going to mix this together. Okay, that's mixed. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put it on the brownie mix here. Just Okay, now we're going to take this batter here and we're just going to randomly put spoonfuls over the top of this, like this. Okay. Now we're going to take a knife and we're just going to swirl to make that marble effect. All right. Now we're going to put this in the oven 35 to 38 minutes. See what my oven does, or until the toothpick comes out 2 inches from the side of the pan, comes out clean. And then we're going to let it completely cool for like an hour and a half. All right, we'll see you later. Okay, now while the brownies are baking, I'm going to have the frosting ready, and I'm just using, it says use white frosting, but no, I'm not going there. I'm using Hershey's chocolate. And let's see. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of peanut butter to that. And I'm going to add 1 to 2 teaspoons of milk to that. We'll see what 1 does. We're going to give that a mix. I'm just going to add a little bit more. That was probably about a tablespoon I added. Okay, that's what I wanted. Creamy. All right, that's what we want. Get every last drop of goodness here. All right, I'm going to take these off. All right, we're going to set this aside, and it'll be ready for us after it's totally cooled. We're going to frost them. Okay, came out of the oven. Now we're going to let it cool completely before we frost it. Okay, this is cooled down enough for us to frost it now. So we're going to get out this frosting here. Yummy frosting. Creamy. We're going to frost it. There we go. Now we're going to cut it and we're going to have some. First bite. All right. Look at that. Mmm. So good. I really like that little bit of peanut butter mixed in with the chocolate frosting on top. I think like crushed peanuts in it too would be good. Thanks for joining me today. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.